Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this particular video. In this video, we wanted to discuss with you Silicon Valley's largest startups are going to be shunning their IPOs in 2025. Why we are saying this and what are the reasons that we feel the market is going to behave like that. Let's do a deep dive and let's try and understand that. The Silicon Valley startup scene is seeing a significant shift in how the largest players are approaching the public markets. Companies like Databricks, SpaceX, and OpenAI have secured massive funding rounds that allow them to stay private longer, thus delaying any potential IPOs. These deals not only provide the capital needed for continued growth, but also offer liquidity options for employees, addressing the major reason most of the companies typically go public. This trend is underpinned by a maturing venture capital ecosystem that now supports massive investments that go far beyond what was conceivable a decade ago. With such access to capital, these companies find very little incentive to endure the scrutiny and the volatility of the public markets. Private companies can thus navigate their growth trajectories without immediate pressures of quarterly earning reports and activist investors, which often accompany a public listing. However, while the largest startups enjoy the benefits of staying private, this approach raises questions about the valuation realities and the long-term sustainability, reminiscent of situations like WeWork's failed IPO. As some companies continue to operate in these expansive private markets, others are moved towards IPOs by necessity, whether to provide exits for early investors or to allow employees to cash out on the stock options. This evolving landscape suggests some cautious approach to the IPOs in the near future, with only the companies that cannot delay their public offerings or those needing to meet specific financial obligations likely to make the leap in the short term. Silicon Valley's startup ecosystem is thus navigating a complex interplay of growth, funding, and market expectations, and it is reshaping how the companies mature and eventually transition to public entities. This is what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.